Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how to integrate the PayPal in the Node.js with capture. In the previous video I have uploaded, I think I haven't updated the capture part where we have to give the transaction ID and all, which is missing. So now I'm going to complete that one. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the new folder. Let me open with the terminal. Okay, so let's open the code also. So here we have the full functionality. Let's create the files according to it. So here we go with this one. So first of all we have to create the structure where it is views. So let's create the views first. So here I will create the views. In the views I need the success.egs. I need the success.egs. Then I need cancel. Okay, so I need cancel also. Here I require index.egs also. So let's create all these files. After that I require server.js file, the main file. Okay, so let's add it. Server.js. Let's go with npm init -y for the package.json. Done. So I think let's upload the code over here. So let me add this. So this is server.js file. Okay, on the packages I need to require, that is express. So let's add the npmi express paypal sdk, and what else we require, that is body parser. So let's add it. Okay, so we have installed this one. Done. Moving to the next, require the client id and the client secret. I have already, that's here we have the client id and the client secret. Let me copy this client id, or you can create the env file for this one. Okay, so the client id is there. Now we require the client secret. So let me word wrap this. So this is added. So let's create the egs files. First of all we have a cancel, so let's go and paste this one. So first one, that is we have the button, that means index. I think egs we haven't added index.egs, so let's add the egs also. npm I egs. This is done. Next we have to go with the payment success, where we are showing the transaction id to match with. So success over here. Next we have the last one, that is the cancel. So let's add the cancel also. So here we go with the cancel.egs. One more thing that is pending, that is the success. We have to show the transaction id. So let me update this code also. Here we have the server dodge. Done. Let's run the server. Let's check. So node server.js, and let's check the port number 3000, localhost 1000. So pay with PayPal. So let's do the login with sandbox. Login. So $12 payment. Continue and review. Payment success with the payment id. Let's go and check. So let me log in with the account. So here we have a sandbox PayPal. So let me log in with the business account. I'm logging, right? So $12 payment I need to check. So here we have the $12 payment. Let's go and check the transaction ID and all. So the transaction ID is CR, and what the transaction ID over here? This is different one. This is not the transaction ID. I think it's a payment ID. So this is payment ID, and this is token, and this is payer ID. Not the transaction, but this is the thing that the transaction is done. Okay, whatever we have in the object, we have to check in the payment object what exactly they are sending. Let's do the console part over here. Okay, give me word wrap is there. If the we have to check the payment object, it is what exactly they are sending. Okay, payments, so it will log it over here, right? So let's do the one more payment. Okay, so PayPal, so complete, success. Let's do the, and here we have the full-fledged object, right? So what we are getting in, so we have a intent, approved, cart, payer, email, payer ID, shipping address, transaction. I think amount, pay, item list, related sources is object array, but the state is approved we are getting in. Okay, so and the URL we are getting in. Okay, so this is this is the that you can say that we have a status verified and everything is there. Okay, but I think if it is getting in, then it's a very good thing. I will cross check what exactly we can show it over here. So first, check the code first that we have done right now. So we require Express, PayPal REST SDK, body parser. Okay, so EGS, and this is for the accepting the body parameters. Okay, so we have to configure the sandbox. So if you have a live, then you can change to live, then client ID and the client secret. Okay, in the get request, we are rendered the index file. After that, we have a create payment. When we click on this button, then this method will call, which we have a sale intent. Okay, and rest of the items we have, you have to mention it, and the currency you have to mention, and the description. And here you can, if I go over here, what is the payment this one, so the item SQ, item name, and the quantity, and this. Okay, these are the informations that we have. Payment status, payment method is checkout. Okay, here we go with this one. After this, payment dot create method for creating the payment, and it will give you the link, okay, where we have to redirect. So open that link. After that, we have a success, which requires a payer ID, payment ID. On the behalf of it, what we are doing, we are executing the payment, and we are getting the transaction like payment ID. Okay, after this, we are passing just this transaction ID to the success page. Okay, then we have a cancel button, just normal cancel, and this is the how to start the server. Okay, we have this index.egs file where we have the create payment, and this is a button. So when I click on this one, this API will call of the create payment. After this one, it will return the URL, then it will redirect. After the redirect, we have a success URL, right? So on the when we go to the success URL, it will hit that one, and it will give you the transaction ID of that one. Okay, so and the last one, that is cancel EGS, nothing on that one. Okay, so this is how you are able to do the PayPal gateway integration in the Node.js with capture part. So in the previous, I haven't updated the capture one because the records are not coming into the professional account. Okay, so now the professional account has the all the details with the payment approved, everything is there. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.